How can you see them? So you were asking me about you. Like we say, you don't listen to me. Okay, this is a sentence there. Now this you is used as a singular as well as plural, but you always carry with it the plural verb because it is considered the plural subject. Okay, even if I'm talking to you, only one person if there is there, okay, in the virtual class or anywhere else. Suppose you are talking to your brother over phone, so you will use the subject you for him because he is the listener to you. Okay, you are a speaker and he is a listener. Even though there are more than one people, there are more than one people, for them also you will use the only one subject, and that is you. So you is universally called the plural subject. Okay, and it always carry the plural verb. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion with it?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I hope you might have understood that. Okay. So do not is used with plural subject. For example, they, we, you, people. Okay. Such leaders, if they carry more than one person. Okay. These are the subjects that we call them the plural subject. Understood? Examples are given over here. You may understand through these examples. Look at here. Reena does not. Reena is a singular subject, and that is why it is used does not watch television. We do not smoke. Okay. She does not write a letter to her friend. Does not write. They do not like swim. Okay. Understood? They do not like to swim. This may be the correct sentence, or this can be also a correct sentence. Have you got the point with does not and do not? Simple
Yes,
present tense, simple present
Yes, sir.
tense with
Yes.
negative sentences and affirmative sentences. Okay. See, there are triple benefits that we are going to cover here. Okay. Three things we are going to learn here: that how to use the simple present or simple tense, how can we use it as affirmative, how can we use it as negative, and even how can we use it as interrogative sentence. So please, three of the things, okay, these three things we are going to learn at once, okay, for each and every sub part of the main tense, and that is we are going to learn, we are studying here for first one, and that is present tense. Okay. Now, what are the rules for interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are the sentences they are used to ask questions. For what? Questions. Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Questions we ask through interrogative sentence. It is very simple. See, students, this is very simple to ask questions. There are two types of questions that we always ask. How many types are there? Two. First is verbal question, and second is WH type of question. Okay, WH type of question and verbal type of question. See, beta, here in the very first sentence of this under this heading, that is used with helping verb, means you keep in mind that verbal type of question always starts with helping verb. There are near about 26 to 30 helping verbs or modal verbs, we may say, okay, through which you can form the interrogative sentence. That is also called as verbal type of question. And the answers for such questions may not ask you for any description. They are also known as What do they known as again? Yes, no type questions. Verbal type of questions are also known as yes, no type of questions. Because suppose I ask you one question like, do you have a red pen? What did I ask there? Do you have a red pen? So you would just reply me with yes or no, isn't it? You would not describe that I don't have the pen and that pen belongs to that particular company that I always carry in my bag. Okay, all these means the stuff regarding that particular pen you do not have to tell. Only you have to answer me with yes or no. Have you got it, beta? Okay, this is only called verbal type of question where we do not expect the explanation of the question. Okay, and the answer we do not expect in the form of explanation. We expect the question, sorry, answer in yes or no type. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another question that is called or known as WH type of question, where we use the words like what, when, where, which, whom, okay, why, how. These words are called the WH words through which we can start the question. See, the structure is very simple. Whenever you are asking verbal type of questions, so just put helping verb in the very beginning of the sentence. After that, immediately put subject, then first form of main verb, and definitely object or something else or another words you may use there. Got it? One second. Have you got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another thing for WH type of question, only whatever you did over here, only you have to put the WH word here. Which word? WH word here. Only. See? Do does, subject, first form. Only we have added here WH word. So that would become the descriptive question or explanatory question. Understood? Suppose I ask you that what kind of sport do you like most? Okay, so that is an explanatory question where you have to give the explanation or you have to tell the answer in a broad manner. Have you got it? Okay, this is only called the interrogative sentence where we use two types of interrogative sentences. First is verbal type of question. Second is WH type of question. See the examples, you will get to know about it. And now there would be one question in your brain, in your mind, that is, how can, now the interrogative sentences, if you are asking, so it does not mean that you always ask the questions in an affirmative sentence or affirmative interrogative sentence. You may ask the question in negative interrogative sentence. Why didn't you come to the class yesterday? That can be a question. Why didn't you means not is used over here. Means we may transform it into the in negative interrogative as well. So only one thing you have to do here. That is very simple. Do, subject plus not you have to use here after subject. For example, do you not pay fees? Do you not pay fees? Okay. Suppose you have to use the abbreviation of the helping verb plus not. So what would be there? Don't you pay fees? Is that simple? Okay. Is there any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Okay. The same thing happens here also. WH type of word, you may use the abbreviation here. Okay. Before subject, or suppose you are not using abbreviation. So the helping verb will be used here, subject will be used, and not will be used after subject. Have you got it, beta? Is there any confusion till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So please observe these sentences. These all are given in just affirmative sense. Okay. Can you see there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only affirmative sentences are given over
Sir.
there, not any negative sentences given over there. Okay. So what are the
Yes.
sentences? Like, do you play cricket? Does she wash clothes? Does she, no, it is given here. Okay. Does he not go to school daily? See, it is given. Why do you weep now? Then whose book do you read? Whom do you teach? I teach you. Okay. Then which subject does Garima not want to study? In this sense, you can use, or in this structure, you can use the WH type of words, question, and as well as verbal type of questions. Have you got it, Beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now the second form or second subtype of present tense is present continuous tense, as the name is suggesting here. It is continuous. It is in progress. It is in progress. Suppose I say that I am writing on the board, I am writing on the pen tab or anything else. If suppose I'm means whatever I'm doing right now, suppose the thing which is spoken at this time of the action, the ongoing action, that action is told through the present in any form of the tense, that is told in continuous form, okay, of the tense. What is the rule for present continuous tense? Okay, this structure is given over here. Subject plus is, am, are plus main verb first form with ing plus object. Now there would be one thing that I would tell you, that is, am, and are. Now why do we use these three helping verbs in one sentence only, or one tense only? So is always used with singular subject wherever you are using there. Okay, in the present continuous tense. Am, it is a helping verb which is always used with I, and are always in present continuous tense, okay, used with plural subject. Have you got it? Is there any confusion? No, I think. Okay.
Sir.
No, sir.
Oh, she is eating food. Suppose I have to tell, or I have to say, I am eating food. I am eating food. Okay. So as soon as the subject is changed here, definitely the helping verb would also be changed. Have you got it? Are is used
Yes.
for plural subject. For example, you are eating food. Are is used, am is used, and is used. Okay. Have you got it? Is there any confusion? Through this you will get
No,
it.
sir.
See, through this you will get it. It is very simple. I made it very simple over here. You will get it, everything. Okay. So don't be confused. Is with singular subject, am is used with I, and are is used with plural subject. There should be no confusion. Okay. Whenever you have to make its negative, so it's very simple. As I told you all earlier, there you have to put not, just not after helping verb. Okay. So it would be transformed into negative sentence. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose singular subject is written, so am is can be used. Am is for I, and other singular subjects would carry is plus not plus main verb first, main verb plus ing. For example, cut. So what would be its ing form? Cutting would be okay. Plural subject, definitely we, you, they, people, students, teachers, family members. Lots of things are there which can be used through used as plural subject. So they all subjects would carry are. Okay, and to make it negative, definitely we will use not after the helping verb. For example, Ram is not suffering the surfing the internet. They are not watching a movie. I am not swimming in the water. These all the actions which are given over here, those are in progress action. Okay, which actions those are? In progress action.
In
Have
progress.
you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beta, till now today, we are concluding with the class now. Okay. You may leave the class now. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir. Bye, sir.
Have a nice day. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.